Hey guys, back to the van today. I'll be showing you this Harbor Breeze ceiling fan. This is my mom's fan, by the way. Now you see two of the bulbs, but three of the bulbs looks like it's pretending to be burnt out, but it ain't. And they're off right now because my mom don't want to waste energy. So, anyways, yep. There's light fan because I just put that right there, and we're gonna turn it on. Why? Yep. I did try to stop this fan right with my hands. Did not want it to get them chopped off. And I see this fan. It looks like it's a beast, by the way. So look at this dragonfly. I'll turn this light out for you. Right here it's on high. Don't want to get my hand chopped off or my phone breaking. And I'll show you that logo. Oh, this fan. The dragonfly. You can see it's on spin. Let me think. This goes for the light, I'll show you. Yep. I'll show you this thing again. I'm not going to do that again. If that goes for the light, this chain, this is the dragonfly chain. I want the dragonfly on it, and it goes to this light pole chain. It goes to it and backwards. Let's do it. You can see, I just put the dragonfly. I just put this green dragonfly right there because. Yeah, so I can reach the fan. So I can put the motor on different speeds. I can't reach this brown thing. There's a pull switch. Hang on. This is the pull chain. Yep. Like it wobbles because because it's out of balance. I'll show you this stuff. See. You don't want to get my hand chopped off. Yep. I wish I could put this fan on super high, but I don't want it to fall off ceiling because this fan goes crazy on high. It blows a tons of air. Plus, yeah, it blows tons of air. It does. Yep, so my mom's in the shower and she doesn't see me pulling the light chain. Let's turn this thing off so y'all can see a video of me stopping the fan blades from rotating from the blade spinning. Alright, let me. I hope I don't get my hand knocked off that fan. If I do get knocked off, it will definitely just hurt and blood will come out. Can I reach this fan? Yep, our other one sparked, blew up, and shorted out. Not this one. Ray put a new one in. Our 4-blade fan did spark. I'm guessing that was probably about 3 years ago. Let me just stop this fan. Okay. Okay. I'll end this video. Here we go. Bye.